Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on analytics, you just click on it. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on alerts, you just click on it. So when you click here on alerts, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you come here to weekly total sales, you click in this sign or this color. So then you see here color, it's going to mean weekly total sales display with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.